Hey guys, in this video, we're reviewing Careerflow.ai, an AI-powered job search assistant that helps you optimize your resume, automate job applications, track your progress, and boost your LinkedIn profile. But is it really legit or just another overhyped tool? Let's break it down. Careerflow offers several core features: an AI resume builder, LinkedIn profile optimizer, autofill application via Chrome extension, cover letter generation, job tracking dashboard, and skill gap analysis. The Chrome extension has 200,000 users and 4.5-star ratings, letting you import jobs from over 45 job platforms and streamline your workflow. Many users report up to a 2 times increase in recruiter search visibility and faster interview invitations. Online feedback is generally positive. One user on Reddit said that AI actually seems to pay attention to the jobs it applies for and contrasts favorably with more aggressive platforms. As for cost, Careerflow offers a free tier supporting resume building, job tracking, and LinkedIn optimization. Premium plans for up to $13 per month or $36 per month, depending on the tier, unlock features like unlimited resumes, advanced cover letters, auto-apply, and an ad-free experience. So, is Careerflow.ai legit or a scam? Careerflow.ai is a legit and valuable tool for job seekers, especially those aiming to increase efficiency and polish their applications. While it's not a magic solution, human follow-up and personalized customization still matter. It's a solid AI companion that can help manage multiple applications, improve visibility, and save time. And that would be all for this review video. Thanks for watching.